Do you want to win the fight against panic? Do you want to succeed in life? Do you want to build something of value, maybe a business, a family, or a successful relationship? No matter the category of your goals, they are all built on a foundation of a healthy attitude, especially when dealing with psychological phenomena. Everything we do requires a certain level of persistence and grit. Think about something that you've become good at. I'm sure you'll tell me that it didn't happen overnight. It took many hours, days, weeks, and months of constant practice and refinement. You probably had many days where you were ready to throw in the towel, but you dug deep and persisted despite the desire to quit. The best way to maintain this kind of stubborn attitude is to have it come from a place deep within you. A place that says, no matter what, you will emerge victorious one way or another. I don't know the kind of place that you're in right now. Perhaps you're optimistic, in which case, great, I love that. But perhaps not. Maybe you're feeling defeated and scared that you'll be stuck with panic forever. I've been there many times. If that's you right now, then I'm going to ask you to do something cliche. You might even get annoyed at me for saying this, but I'm going to say it anyway. I'm going to ask you, just like a sports coach would, I'm going to ask you to dig deep. We don't dig deep when things are going well. We dig deep when we're in trouble, and that's exactly what we have to do here. Digging deep matters even more for psychological phenomena like panic or anxiety or even depression than it does for sports. Do you know why? Because unlike in sports, you can have a pessimistic attitude and make up for it with physical prowess. But in psychology, everything we believe happens. So unlike in sports, you can't make up for a pessimistic attitude with some physical attribute. In psychology, everything that we believe becomes a reality. If you think you are helpless, then your mind will structure everything you see to justify that. But if you dig deep and force yourself to believe you can find a way, your mind will stay open and search for those new avenues. Did you know that belief is a choice? Religion is often referred to as faith, and faith is not fact. Therefore, those who pray to God don't do so because of an unquestionable fact. They choose to believe every single day. It's the same thing with love. People often confuse love with lust, but we don't just love by default. Instead, we choose to love our partners the same way we choose to remain optimistic day after day after day. Therefore, optimism is a leap of faith. So I ask you, would you please take a leap of faith with me? Take the leap of faith and believe that you have more inside. Take a leap of faith with me and choose to believe that it's not that you are stuck with this forever. Instead, choose to believe that you simply have not put all of the pieces together yet, but you inevitably will, and it's just a matter of time.